Alright, so hello again. Today we'll see some of the audio settings in OBS Studio to improve your audio. So the very first thing we are going to do is open Windows setting, and first of all we are going to go to system and we are going to be in the input section and check here that my mic audio is set to 100%. So we make the best use of our built-in mic in case whatever mic you are using. In my case, this is the built-in mic that I'm using. So after turning this to 100%, I will just close it and come to OBS Studio, and I will close this for now. And just make sure that when you see here in the audio mixture, your audio levels should not cross the yellow zone. It should be between around -15 to 10. Here you can see, and if it is in the red, as you can see, it sometimes goes. I just go here, go in filters, and just remove this gain filter. In your case it will be already removed, but in the other case, if this is not crossing or is not in the yellow zone, then what you need to do is go to your audio settings and here go to filters and click on gain and just increase this. So you can already notice the difference in my audio. If I just turn it to maximum, you will see I will get louder. So I will bring it back to somewhere between 4 or 5. So this is for the gain. So the other thing is noise suppression. So we will click on OK, and we are going to select the relevant option based on our CPU quality. If we have a good CPU, then we can select this. Either we can select this, and we can select the suppression level. So generally it should be somewhere near 30 dB, but in your case you just need to either do some hit and trial and test what is best for you. So I will leave it to 30. The other main thing is if you want to make your voice heavier, like you will notice it now, I have added this, and this makes my audio heavier. So if you want to make your audio appear more heavy, then you just need to increase this low frequency. And if you want to increase the crispiness like this, here you can notice the difference in my voice. For that you can increase this crispiness, and apart from that this middle is generally in the lower levels, because this makes your sound feel like hollow. Like if I increase it, it feels like I'm in an empty room or something like that. So we generally keep it to the lower side and generally increase the bass in order to make your audio heavier, and slightly also increase the pitch of your voice. So these were the basic things that are the must when you edit your audio in OBS for the live recordings. And these are some of the other options that you want to try and have a look at. So these are optional, and one more thing, that the order of these thing matter. So noise suppression should be at top. You should just select this and just come here. You can see there's arrows. If you press it down, it will come down. So we just need to make noise suppression at the top. So I will increase it, and the other two are at the perfect positions. So I will just simply close this, and that was all for this video. Thanks for watching.